Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date April 17, 2021. Let's start with international news. AstraZeneca vaccine, Denmark stops rollout completely. Denmark has ceased giving the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID vaccine amidst concerns about rare case of blood clots, the first European country to do so fully. National news. Ex-CBI Director Sinha passes away. Former CBI Director Ranjit Sinha passed away in Delhi on Friday, a day after he tested positive for COVID-19. He showed no serious symptoms. Sinha, a 1974 batch Bihar cadre IPS officer, headed the Indo-Tibetan Border Police and Railway Protection Force before his CBI tenure. His 2 year term as a CBI head from 2012 to 2014 was marred by the controversy over entries in the visitor's diary at his official residence. He cleared UPSC exam at his 21 years of age in 1974. Sinha was decorated with the Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 1991 and the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service in 1997. Karnataka former Chief Secretary J.C. Lin passes away. Former Karnataka Chief Secretary J.C. Lin passed away on Thursday night, as per source said. Civil service stalwart Lin wrote many hats in state at center with distinction. Lin served as a Chief Secretary from 1992 to 1994. In a career spanning 24 years, he held several important positions in the state and central governments. He served as a secretary of three chief ministers, Virendra Patel, D. Devraj Ars, and R. Guntur Ram for 10 years. He also held the post of Home and Industry Secretaries to the Government of Karnataka before being appointed Chairman of Karnataka Road Transport Corporation and simultaneously Chairman of KSTDC. Subsequently, he was posted to Delhi, where he served in the Department of Coal and Personnel before being appointed Chairman of the Food Corporation of India in the rank of Secretary to the Government of India. Renowned doctor Karla Subrao passes away in Hyderabad at 96. Subrao was known for his contribution to the Nizam Institute of Medical Science and was also the founder of President of Telugu Association of North America. Renowned radiologist and Padma Shri awardee Karla Subrao passed away on Friday. Born on January 25, 1925, the 96-year-old doctor breathed his last at the KIMS hospital in Secunderabad. Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia as a nodal minister for COVID-19 management. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia would be functioning as a nodal ministry for COVID management in the national capital. He will also be responsible for inter-ministerial coordination till further orders. Tamil Nadu news. Kentucky Colonel Award for Stalin. DMK treasurer and former Tamil Nadu Deputy CM M.K. Stalin has been selected for the Kentucky Colonel Award, the higher honor accorded by the Commonwealth of Kentucky State in USA, for his public service. Kentucky State Governor Stephen L. Beshear, Secretary A.D. Camp to the Governor of Commonwealth of Kentucky, George Reef, has sent a mail to the DMK leader. The governor praised Stalin, saying he is the first politician from Tamil Nadu to be bestowed with honor, as also becoming Kentucky Goodwill Ambassador. Economic news. Ashok Leyland launches bulletproof vehicles. Early this week, Ashok Leyland's first of its kind light bulletproof proof vehicles has handed over to the Indian Air Force. The vehicle is an adopted version of Lockheed Martin's common vehicle next generation and has been fully indigenously and developed in India under transfer of technology from the US based company of Ashok Leyland, the flagship company of the Hinduja Group. Flying taxis. The IIT Madras incubated startup has designed an electric flying taxis for urban commute that can carry people to their destination 10 times faster and at the same time is safer, economical, noise free, and eco friendly. The battery powered taxi will have the capacity of 200 kg payload to accommodate two passengers. A scaled down version of the taxi with 50 kg payload capacity will under test in July 2021 and final prototype is expected to be ready in early 2022. Sports news. Vignesh Phogat wins maiden gold. Indian wrestler Vignesh Phogat went unbeaten through the day and without dropping a point to win the 53 kg gold at the Asian Wrestling Championship at Almaty, Kazakhstan. This was Vignesh, Vignesh Phogat's first Asian gold. She had earlier won 3 silver and 4 bronzes since 2013. This was her third straight gold of 2021. After earlier winning in Ukraine and at the Metropolitan Memorial in Rome, Poland Herbert Hurkacz won Miami Open Tennis. Poland's Herbert Hurkacz defeated Italian teenager Jannik Sinner in straight set to win Miami Open and claimed the first ATP Master title. The 24-year-old Hubert Hurkacz won the biggest title of his career by beating 19-year-old Jannik Sinner of Italy on Sunday. Hurkacz improved to 10-0 in Florida this year, including the Delray Beach title in January. Ranked 37th, is projected to climb to a career his high 16th in next week ranking. Expected question. Which country has now permanently discontinued the use of corona vaccine for AstraZeneca? Answer Denmark. Second question. Which country has become the first European country to permanently ban the corona vaccine of AstraZeneca? Answer Denmark. Third question. Who was given the ministerial post in charge of making important decisions to control coronavirus? Answer Deputy CM, Delhi Deputy CM Manish Sisodia. Question number 4. What was the award given to DMK President M.K. Stalin during the occasion held in Goa State? Answer Champion of Challenge. What is the name of the small aircraft designed by Chennai IIT to reduce traffic congestion? Answer E-Taxi. Question number 6. E-Taxi manufactured by which company? Answer the E-Plane. Question number 7. How many people can travel in E-Taxi? Answer 2 members. Question number 8. How many kilogram of weight can be carried in a flying taxi at the speed of 200 km per hour? Answer 200 kg. Question number 9. Who won gold in the women's 53 kg weight category at the Asian Wrestling Championship? Answer Vignesh Phogat. Question number 10. Who won gold in the women's 57 kg weight category at the Asian Wrestling Championship? Answer Anshu Malik. Question number 11. Who won the men's singles title at the Miami Open International Tennis Tournament? Answer Hubert Hurkacz. Who was the first Polish player to win the ATP Masters title with 1000 ranking points? Answer Hubert Hurkacz. For daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel Press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.